Imagine waking up every morning in 2025 to sales notifications on your phone without packing a single product or managing a single order. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. Welcome to the future of passive income. Automated Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for real strategists to build online wealth in 2025. Today, I am revealing exactly how you can create a passive income stream using automated e-commerce. Even if you have zero tech skills or experience, automated e-commerce is the smart way to build online stores where most of the heavy lifting is done for you. Order fulfillment, customer support, even product uploads can be automated. Platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and Facebook Marketplace now support automation through tools and services that run your store while you focus on scaling or simply enjoying life. Think of it as owning a store that works 24/7 while you don't. 2025 is a goldmine for Why? More people are shopping online than ever before. AI and automation tools have never been more accessible. Platforms like Walmart WFS and Amazon FBA are making it easy for beginners to enter the game. You don't need coding. You don't need years of experience. You just need the right partner. At amstarter.com, we build and manage your entire automated store. We help you launch on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Facebook, and more. Fast delivery setup with inventory in the USA, UK, Portugal, and France. You get expert support, product research, logistics, and automation, all in one package. It's perfect for beginners or busy entrepreneurs looking to generate passive income without the headaches. So if you're ready to start earning passive income through e-commerce in 2025, visit amzstarter.com now and book your free consultation. No tech skills needed. No upfront inventory required. Just a future-proof business model built for you. Like this video if it inspired you. Comment 2025 goals if you're ready to start. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly tips to grow your online income.